Hey folks, welcome to our demo for Logixal's Templatized StoreFront. Today we are looking at one of our sites that we have deployed on AWS, which is vpro.logixal.com. Right at the top, you'll look at all our partners and commerce solutions that are actually powering this site, starting with Vtex, of course, which is the main commerce engine that we are making use of. Followed by Strapi, our CMS partner, where we configure all our layouts for the site, as well as layouts and configuration email templates for all transaction emails that get sent out to our customers. For powering the search across the site, we have Constructor.io integrated. For recommendations, we have our own homegrown Des as a service, which is also augmented by AWS Personalize. For promotions engine, we have Talon One, along with VTEX's own discounts and promotion engine integrated as well, with options to plug and play other solutions. For powering payments, we have Adyen and Stripe. The current site that you are looking at is integrated with Stripe payment provider via VTEX. And then for our cloud partner solutions, we have AWS as our cloud partners. Right? So this templatized storefront is built using the best-in-class technologies such as Next.js as well as Java Spring Boot. And as we took a brief glance at the top here, we also have the best-of-breed integrations to build a very high-performant and optimal composable commerce solution. Now, this solution, the reason we call this a templatized storefront is because we provide multiple different templates depending on the type of store that our end users want to deploy, right? The types of stores being boutique, independent stores, marketplace, and quite a few others as well. So we have customizable templates for all of these as well. The one that you're looking at right now is the Arabic variant of the site, which the user can change languages depending on their preference by clicking on this icon and drop down here. Right now, we are, of course, on Arabic. We also have support for English and Espanol. Now, before I move forward with the demonstration of the rest of the site, let me do a split view so that it's easier to follow and take a side-by-side comparison between the English variant as well as the Arabic variant of the site. On the left-hand side, you will be looking at the English language translated options, and on the right, you'll have Arabic. The English version has currency set to dollars, whereas the Arabic variant has AED, which is Arab Emirate dirhams, specifically targeting Dubai audiences or Dubai's currency. Now, the first thing that we'll look at here is our homepage, where we have a couple of different components, starting with great promotional banners, of course, and then we have top deals and recommendations coming in from VTEX, as well as our own recommendation engine, which is DES. And also, of course, these recommendations are also augmented, and the analytics for this is coming via AWS Personalized as well. So you will notice all throughout the components, not only the currencies have been mapped accordingly to the language that has been selected, but also the product titles have the necessary conversion as well, along with certain descriptions too. Now, moving forward, let's do a quick search for a couple of products. Let's say where you want to look at some cool glasses. I'll do the search on both the sides. Of course, a key point to note is even Arabic search will work on the Arabic variant of the site. For simplicity, I currently have glasses set up in the English variant for both the sites. You'll notice that even on our PLP page, which we are on right now, we have on the left-hand side, again, English and dollar supported. We have quite a few functionalities in this page, such as filters for the user to filter out depending on what different categories and facets are available for any given product that are listed in the page, as well as the user is allowed to given a variant list of options to sort the listing that is shown here for the products depending on what is the preferred mode that they would want to see. Similarly, if you want to take a look at filters in Arabic as well, you'll notice we have Arabic support for this too. And same holds true for sorting options as well. Now, let me click through one of these products and take a deeper look at our product details page, clicking through on both the on the same product on both the sides. Will shortly be redirected to the product details page. The user is now free to hover over the images or select different images if more than one are available for any given product. Ensure that they like the product, choose the necessary shipping option that they want. Even if they need be, they scroll down, take a look at all the similar product recommendations that are coming in again from our own recommendation engine. Give optional reviews and ratings by themselves if they want to, or they can also scroll a little bit lower and then take a look at all other customers that have provided reviews and ratings for the said product. Now, moving forward, the user has an option to either add the current product to cart or do an instantaneous purchase by picking up the default shipping address that they have already configured when they as part of their profile. Alternatively, if they don't want to make the purchase right away and would rather want to come back at a later time, but do intend on saving this product to make the purchase in the future, we have given them an option to add the product to wishlist, which they can do just by clicking on the heart icon. So I'll do that on both sides of the site. You'll notice even the toast messages that we see are translated to respective languages. Now the user can click on the heart icon. This is going to take them to their existing wish list where they would have added even previously added some of the products, which you can see on the right hand side. Some of my older wish list items are also listed. Now, assuming that the user intends on making the purchase and confirming the order, they can directly click on the bag icon here, which should add this product to their cart as well. You'll notice this gets added here. Now you can click on the cart item, which should take us to the add to cart page. Now, uh, looking at this, now I had previously added more than one item in my cart. So the latest item is available here, but the previous item is already existing. Let's say I don't want to purchase this. I'll just do minus. So this should take that off my cart and retain only the one that I currently intend to buy. Now, looking at this, the user again has options to enter discount coupons as well, or they can directly click on checkout and proceed to the checkout page. Now, the difference between express checkout and checkout is the option to change or customize the shipping address as well. Now, because we have clicked on checkout, the user can still decide and choose the respective address that they want. For now, we'll just go with the default, click on continue, which then enables our payment widget here. Now, once the payment widget is enabled, I'm going to enter my test card information. Let's call it John Doe. Enter the card information, expiry date, CVV, and authorize, and then do the same thing even on the Arabic side. Now you'll notice that even on the Arabic side, the payment widget is left to right. This is intentional because most cards, or most if not all the cards, still have left to right and English related cardholder information that is required to be entered. Now, once this payment has been authorized, this in turn enables the place order button on the top on both sides. I'll click that. And in a few seconds, this should confirm our order and redirect us to the order confirmation pages. So let's give it a couple of seconds. So there we go. The order was confirmed successfully, provided us the order information in the respective languages and currencies. The user can peruse through here, scroll, confirm all the information that they have, while also receiving emails for confirmation of both the payment as well as the orders for both the languages. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to be pulling out the emails that sample emails that the users receive for this. The first one that you see on your screen now is the English variant for payment confirmation. Now, the second one that you see is English variant for order confirmation. And then accordingly, we also have email for payment confirmation for the Arabic variant. And lastly, we also have order confirmation for the Arabic variant. So Once the user is happy with this and order is confirmed, they can go to their profile and take a look at their order history as well. So this is their personal info page. They click on the first link there, which is order history. Let me expand on the Arabic variant so you get a full view of this page. And in a couple of seconds, you should have the entire history of purchases made by the current user as well. So with order confirmation now in place, let's take a look at the admin side of things. So for doing that, we jump into the VTEX admin that I have already logged in as an admin. Let me just reload this page. And once this is up, we will see that for all the orders, whether it was in USD or AED, whether it was in English or in Arabic, this dashboard for the orders is going to list you all an aggregated view of all the orders. For example, these two are the ones that we just placed. I can click through both of these in separate windows, and you should be able to see specifics of each of these orders with the respective shipping addresses of the user, as well as all the pricing and shipping invoicing information as well. The rest of the flow is business as usual, taken forward for order fulfillment directly from VTEX admin. And with that, going back to our original Arabic site, um, that completes our overall flow of the demo that we have for you today. Thank you.